MPC test has now been implemented and confirmed working with the simulation model, here shown the Gazebo simulation model, and the RVis view where we have the localization running. So now when we start the MPC, we will see the ball-bot starting to move around in a circle motion. And this is a pre-programmed static path that it's moving around. The trajectory is shown in this plot, where we can see how it's trying to follow the red dots, which are the discrete trajectory, which is then converted to a continuous path shown here on the left. And looking at the RVis, the reason for the small deviations from the path is actually due, or mainly due, to the localization, hence the state estimate, where we can see the arrows, which indicate all the particles from the particle filter, are scattered around the actual location, the state estimate itself. And this is, or this might explain some of the deviations that we see around the desired trajectory. But overall, the simulation is working and the ball-bot is capable of moving around. It's also changing its inclination angle accordingly, and this is also visualized both in Gazebo and RVis. Next step would thus be to test this on the actual robot, since the messages and the topics that are used here in the simulation is exactly the same as what will be used on the actual robot when carrying out the test. So that's the next step.